Hello and welcome. You've joined a large community of businesses who sell to over 170 million buyers on eBay. To help you get started, we've made you a welcome pack. It guides you through everything you need to know to make your first sale. Just click the link below to download it now. If you've got a specific question which isn't covered by the pack, you can come back to our Seller Centre to get more advice. The Seller Centre is a dedicated online resource that you can treat as your ultimate selling companion. It covers topics from getting started to marketing tools and much, much more. Or you can click the Help and Contact link at the top of this page to get in touch with our team. We're looking forward to helping your business grow on eBay.
Find out when new tips are published, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.